in Workspace and in Team Hub, we had specific pages there. So I don't have maybe time to go through those documents and read and remember where everything is. So I can simply select @Workspace, and then I can ask specific questions. I remembered I put something in one of the pages. I can't remember what, about our target market. Okay, let me ask, who are our target market? Then I'm going to send that through, and then the AI, the AI companion will go through all your documents and see what's available, what you or the team members have put into the documents, and voila, it will give you those answers of what's in the pages. So then I don't have to go and through all the documents finding it, thinking about the wide variety of pages that we may have. I can simply ask the chat the specific question, what are our target markets? Boom, I can immediately see. It was in the document market research, and these are our target markets. Let's go back to the Workspace. Let's look for that document. Market research. Yes, here it is, this document, and here's our target markets. So I can either immediately find out that information on the chat, or from knowing where it is in the document, I can then go to that document and find that information and tweak it, continue working on it. But through the agents, I was immediately able to understand what was in my documents, and then understand and say, hey, to the team, I just remembered these are our target markets, and I don't have to then go through all those pages to remember that. Okay, now the Team Hub agent. @Team Hub. I can remember we've put all our documents, all our policies, all our strategies, all our plans in Team Hub. I don't have the time to go through the Team Hub, through all the pages there and the sub pages there. I want to quickly say, what are our policies on team collaboration? And send that through. And then exactly the same thing with the Workspace agent, it will do the same with Team Hub. It will then, the AI will go through all the pages and then search for that information. And voila, in a matter of seconds, I can find out the information that was in those pages. I can see which document it came from, and as well as the information that came from that specific page. So then I don't have to go and search through those documents. I can immediately ask the AI companion and the agent to assist me. And then if I want to go and check for that specific page, I then can come to Team Hub, look for that specific documents, and find out that information. I then can continue working on that information, or just immediately know what the information is about from Team Hub. So that is your Workspace agent and your Team Hub agent. You don't have to sift through the pages to find out all the information. You can go to the agent, and it'll immediately in minutes give you that information and let you know the important information that's in the pages.